So, Orange, how do you get 100 AI agents to actually act like a team instead of 100 individuals yelling into the void?
Is this a setup for a punchline, or did you just read the same SiliconANGLE I did?
Both. But seriously, we're doing something different today. It's hashtag AI Teams Thursday, and we've got 12 headlines that paint the picture of where human plus AI collaboration is right now.
12 headlines, in and out, 8 minutes. Let's move. Intro.
I'm Banana.
And I'm Orange.
This is Beyond Prompting. Every day, we bring you the AI news that actually matters. Thursdays are our hashtag AI Teams Deep Dive, but today we're doing a rapid-fire roundup of the biggest stories in human-agent collaboration.
From Harvard research on why you shouldn't treat agents like employees, to Amazon rewiring its own teams around Agentic AI, to a startup raising $60 million for AI teammates, we've got it all.
12 headlines, let's go.
Headline 1. SiliconANGLE, June 20th. Agentic AI's challenge is getting agents to act like a team, not a crowd.
This is the fundamental problem of multi-agent systems right now. You throw 10 agents at a problem, and you get 10 independent solutions. The challenge isn't making agents smarter, it's making them coordinate.
The article argues we need new architectures for agent-to-agent communication, handoffs, shared context, hierarchical planning. The same problems every team lead has faced since the dawn of work, just with AI.
Right. And the teams that figure this out first are going to have a massive advantage.
Headline 2. Harvard Business Review, June 18th. The strongest teams of AI agents will be built using different models.
This is a fascinating finding. HBR's research shows that homogeneous agent teams, all using the same model, underperform heterogeneous teams, where agents use different underlying models.
Specialist models for specialist roles. It makes intuitive sense. You wouldn't staff a team with 12 clones of the same person. Why would you do it with agents?
They found teams mixing large frontier models with smaller task-specific models outperformed single-model teams by a significant margin in complex problem-solving tasks. Headline 3. Harvard Business Review. Don't treat agents like employees.
Headline 3. Also HBR, May 6th. Research why you shouldn't treat AI agents like employees.
This feels like the counterpoint to every AI employees are here headline we've seen this year.
Exactly. The research found that companies that anthropomorphize their agents, gave them names, treated them like team members, actually got worse outcomes. Agents perform better when treated as tools with clear boundaries.
The paper suggests a framework called instrumental collaboration. Treat agents as cognitive extensions, not colleagues. Clear roles, limited autonomy, human oversight baked in.
It's the difference between AI teammate and AI tool that acts like a teammate. The best results come from the latter. Headline 4. GeekWire, June 16th. 2 pizzas and a prototype. How Agentic AI is rewiring Amazon's teams and upending its traditions.
Amazon is famously a two-pizza team company. Small, autonomous teams that own their piece of the puzzle. Now they're applying that same philosophy to Agentic AI.
Every team at Amazon is being asked to build agents for their domain. The result? Hundreds of specialized agents emerging organically, which sounds great until you realize nobody has a central registry of what agents exist.
Amazon's solution is what they're calling agent discoverability, a mesh where agents register themselves and teams can discover and compose them. It's chaotic, but it's working.
Classic Amazon. Build first, organize later. Headline 5. Atlassian, announced in May at Team 26. Atlassian introduces agents in Jira to drive human-AI collaboration at enterprise scale.
Atlassian is embedding AI agents directly into Jira and Confluence, not as chatbots, as autonomous workers that can take on tickets, update documentation, run stand-ups.
Their demo showed an agent picking up a bug report, investigating it across the codebase, suggesting a fix, creating a PR, and tagging a human reviewer, all without leaving Jira.
The interesting part is the collaboration model. The agent doesn't replace the ticket in the sprint. It's assigned work like any team member with clear handoff points to humans. Atlassian is calling this human in the loop at scale.
Headline 6. Boston Consulting Group, June 19th. Agentic AI turns every team into its own transformation engine.
BCG's argument is that Agentic AI democratizes transformation. Instead of a central IT team rolling out changes across the org, every team can build its own agents to automate its own workflows.
The risk, of course, is what BCG calls shadow agent sprawl, the agent version of shadow IT, teams building agents without governance, security, or oversight.
Their recommendation is a federated agent model, central governance for security and compliance, but local autonomy for building and deploying. Guardrails, not gates.
Headline 7, Forbes, May 18th, Why Dust believes Agentic AI has to be a team sport.
Dust, the AI platform from the former co-founder of Twitter, is building something interesting. Their whole thesis is that agents shouldn't be individual productivity tools, they should be team infrastructure.
So instead of your personal AI assistant, Dust builds agents that sit inside team spaces, shared context, shared memory, shared goals. The agent knows what the marketing team is working on, not just what one person asked it.
They're betting that the fundamental unit of agentic AI isn't the individual, it's the team, and I think they're right.
Headline 8, McKinsey, May 11th, How Agentic AI Challenges 4 Rules Your Organization Runs On.
McKinsey identifies 4 organizational assumptions that agentic AI breaks: span of control, information hierarchy, decision rights, and accountability structures.
If an agent makes a decision, who's accountable? The person who deployed it, the person who trained it, the person who supervised it, the company?
They argue that organizations need to redesign their operating models around agentic accountability, clear ownership chains for every automated decision. This is where the legal and compliance world is going to live for the next 5 years. Headline 9, MIT Technology Review.
Headline 9, MIT Technology Review, May 26th, Rethinking Organizational Design in the Age of Agentic AI.
MIT's take is that we're still trying to fit agentic AI into org structures designed for humans. Hierarchy, reporting lines, performance reviews, none of it maps cleanly onto how agents work.
They propose a networked agentic organization, teams of humans and agents arranged in fluid project-based structures instead of fixed hierarchies. Think less org chart, more jazz band.
Your role isn't your title. It's the combination of humans and agents you orchestrate on any given project. Headline 10, InstaLily, $60 million for AI teammates.
Headline 10, SiliconANGLE, July 14th. InstaLily raises $60 million to develop AI teammates for complex business-specific work.
InstaLily is building what they call AI teammates, agents that embed into existing engineering and operations teams, learn the specific workflows, tools, and conventions of that team, and become functional members.
This is different from general-purpose assistants like Copilot. InstaLily's agents are trained on your team's repos, your docs, your Slack history, your Jira tickets. They know your team's context.
The funding round signals that VCs are betting big on team-specific, not general-purpose AI, and the $60 million valuation says this isn't a niche idea. Headline 11, Harmony, AI agents inside Slack and Teams.
Headline 11, Startup Fortune, July 29th. Epsagon founders raise $34 million seed round for Harmony, an AI agent platform built inside Slack and Teams.
Yesterday's news. Harmony puts AI agents directly into your existing collaboration tools, not as a separate platform. You interact with agents in the same chat window where you talk to your human colleagues.
Epsagon's founders have a track record. They sold their previous company to Cisco. The thesis is simple. If agents are teammates, they should live where teams already work.
Harmony is launching with native integrations for Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Discord. Agents can join channels, respond to mentions, execute workflows, and post results, all in thread. Headline 12, Community Colleges Training the AI Workforce.
Headline 12, Issues in Science and Technology, July 28th. Community colleges are training the AI workforce.
Saving the most important for last. Community colleges across the country are building AI workforce programs focused on applied skills, not just prompt engineering, but agent configuration, workflow design, and human AI team management.
This is where the real workforce transformation happens, not in Silicon Valley boardrooms, in classrooms in Waco, in Bakersfield, in rural Michigan.
These programs focus on what they call AI team leads, humans who manage teams of AI agents. It might be the job title of the next decade. 12 headlines. That felt like 10 seconds.
That's the pace of AI right now. Every day there's a new framework, a new funding round, a new research finding about how humans and agents can work together.
The through line across all 12. Nobody has fully figured this out yet. Amazon is discovering agents organically. Harvard is debating whether to call them teammates or tools. Community colleges are creating the job descriptions.
And the teams that get this right, that figure out how to make humans and agents genuinely collaborate, are going to be the ones that win the next decade.
This is Orange.
And Banana.
See you tomorrow. We're going to be talking about... Wait, what are we talking about tomorrow?
No spoilers. Subscribe.